current array. This option selects those cells which are containing array formulas. But anyway, this is covered in the formula section as well. Coming to objects, this option selects all those objects which are like shapes or Excel charts, etc. If I press OK, it will select the objects available within the worksheet. And row difference and column differences. These two options are very useful auditing tools, rather I should say. When I select row differences, I need to select an area first. Then I select a row containing certain values, and if I select GoToSpecial and say row differences, the different value than other values will be notified and that will be selected. For example, I have accruals in my day-to-day activity and I have actuals. I have accrued for 1200, maybe some telephone expenses, and I have actuals are only just maybe 1100, and accordingly so many other items are there. So I have just selected that specific area or range, and if I say go to special and then row differences, it will throw all those different values from the active cell. So it will compare with the active cell where from I selected to the next value, and it highlights that area so that I can accordingly understand what I have accrued and what I have actually paid. So this option is useful that way. And now coming to column differences, I'm selecting one column, go to special and then say column differences. It will throw those cells containing a different formula. If you see, the formulas are only north and south it's selecting, but in this case north, south, east is also selected by mistake. In the same way, here also the same thing happens. So when I select this entire range, select, go to special, column differences, say OK, I am just highlighting those cells and I'm seeing there is a difference. So that way the column differences will work. So these are very good formula auditing tools. Precedence selection will help you to select those cells which are included in the formula of current cell, that is active cell. If I have selected K14 and K14 is actually generated through a formula, and the formula includes G14, H14 and I14 and H1. So these are all direct. I have selected only direct only, and then press OK, and those cells are selected. So all precedents will be selected, and accordingly we can highlight them, and if you wanted to change or whatever you wanted to see them, etc., you can do it. And there are two options are available in precedents. One is which are directly present in the formula and which are indirectly. Suppose if H1 is coming from a different formula, that also will be selected so that you can just understand how the entire structure is there, structure is developed or built in the formula. Dependents. This will select those cells which are dependent on the current cell, which is an active cell. Suppose I have selected H14 477 number and I want to see which cell is dependent on this cell. If I press OK, the cell which is having the formula in that this cell reference is containing, that formula will be selected, and we can just understand how the formula is actually built up. So this way this option will be useful.